Okay, so this is an unboxing video for the 3D sublimation heat press. When you first get it out of the packaging, you're going to first check the exhaust tube. It's going to be connected in the back. It just needs the free flow. There's nowhere it needs to plug into on the other end, so just make sure it's unobstructed and laying somewhere where it has access to push air out. In terms of this part, so this is going to be able to lift up, and there's going to be a small tube inside. And what you're going to have to do is plug it right into this other end here. That's going to control the vacuum. And remove this box, this small little cardboard box that's in here. And then you can just set it back down. Now, the final thing is going to be this latch. It actually pulls up. So don't worry about damaging the equipment, but it's going to stick initially, okay? So there's going to be two components. This is going to be your vacuum seal, and this is going to be your base layer. You'll never have to go back under here again. So once this is set in place, you'll be okay. This is where you're going to set your molds right onto here, and then you're going to be, with the case on top, latch down, and then eventually press this down too. Thanks.